going on, guys? It's Molten Games here, and today I'm actually playing the PC version of Java. I kind of figured out how to record on the thingy, so yeah. Oh my goodness. Anyway, as you guys can see, I just did that, and I want to show you guys how to do the MLG one. And oh, of course, I did this with creative. I'm a Steve skin. Yeah. Anyway, okay. Did the right show? No, this button. Anyway, now the thing you do is that people like me, I just spam click. Yeah, basically like that. But you can also do this like that. That's pretty hard. So I'm gonna show the noob way and then I'm gonna do the hard way. Now the most easiest way is just to walk, and no jumping, no sprinting, just walk. Okay. Well, this is 1 second. I should really no copy this. Okay. Whatever, I'll do it later. Why did I just I just killed myself again? Okay, there was water over there, that doesn't count. Just press W and just spam it. Okay, that was wow. Seriously? I just failed the oh no, I don't want to place it now. Okay. See, it's pretty easy if you just press W and you just spam. You just spam. Okay, my game has a line. Okay. Anyway, now the next difficulty is like sprinting, but you can still. Okay, that was just stupid. That was just stupid. Okay, sprint. What? Okay, I don't even know what I'm doing. Sprint and do it. Then it's pretty easy. Anyway, next is jumping and doing it. It's pretty hard with jumping as well, but anyway. Oh my goodness gracious! Okay, that was. I didn't even realize what I was doing. Yeah. Till now, it's been pretty easy, but I've sometimes failed by my stupidity. But anyway, that's not how I spell kill. No. Anyway, now the last one is doing it at one clutch, like this. That's pretty hard for me. And well, look, I'm not good at this games. I mean, I'm good. What's the name again? In PE, but yeah. Anyway, actually, let me do no, time space set. It's better. Okay. Now this is pretty hard, but let's do it. Oh come on. It's like it's the hard, okay? You can't just dream can, but yeah. Okay, this takes a while, but still. You can do this, but I would suggest if you're like not good at this like me to do the like spam thing. Either way it's just gonna help you. I mean the people who don't know this, they're probably, wow, how did you do that? Yes. So yeah, I know this was a pretty short video, but look, I just wanted to show you guys this because I could finally found out how to record on the PC. So now we might have some PC stuff from now on. Maybe a survival series, because my old one, literally when I spawned in the world, all my items are just gone. And okay, I'm just gonna do this map. Like all of my items are just gone. Like I just didn't have anything. So yeah, that's all there's to show for today's video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss when new crazy videos like this one come out. So yeah, bye guys. And you might have noticed there was no like intro and outro because I don't know how to do that. I mean I do know, but it's gonna take a while. So if you guys want to see intros and outros for this channel, yeah, it's gonna have to wait, but yeah. Bye guys. Guys, this spider. Yay!